In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI like a pro in 2026. If you already know the basics of Grok but want to get better results, there are several techniques that can make your workflow more effective. First, start with clear and specific prompts. Instead of asking a short and general question, explain exactly what you want Grok to accomplish. Include the topic, your goal, the intended audience, and any important requirements. Next, give Grok enough context. If you are working on a project, explain the background and provide the information Grok needs before asking it to complete the task. You should also tell Grok how you want the response formatted. For example, you can request bullet points, numbered steps, tables, summaries, outlines, or detailed explanations. Another professional technique is to break complicated tasks into smaller steps. Ask Grok to first understand the problem, then create a plan, and finally work through the individual parts. You can also use follow-up prompts to refine the response. If the first answer isn't exactly what you need, tell Grok what to change. You can ask it to make the response shorter, more detailed, simpler, more professional, or more conversational. When working with documents or supported files, use clear instructions about what you want Grok to analyze. Instead of simply uploading a file, ask specific questions about its contents or request a structured summary. You can also use Grok for brainstorming. Give it your objective and ask for multiple ideas, then select the best ones and ask Grok to develop them further. For writing, ask Grok to act as an editor rather than simply generating text. You can provide your draft and ask it to improve clarity, grammar, structure, and readability while keeping your original meaning. For technical tasks, provide exact requirements and examples whenever possible. If you're working with code, explain the programming language, expected behavior, errors, and any restrictions. One more important tip is to verify important information. Even when Grok provides a confident answer, AI can make mistakes, so check critical facts using reliable sources. Finally, keep experimenting with your prompts. The more clearly you communicate with Grok, the easier it becomes to get useful results. And that's how you can use Grok AI like